I'm doing this demo sitting down because my house is narrow. There isn't much space for the video camera to take the whole picture of me. So as you can see, I've worn the snug necktie. I've also worn it rather loosely. Ideally you should put really snug, but for snug necktie with kincher, you should wear it a bit loose. So I have already fastened the kincher. Just make sure that it's tight as far as you can go. This teddy will represent your baby. I'm sorry, but this is the closest I can find to mimic legs of baby. So you want baby to be seated and lean on against your chest, and you can proceed to lifting up the body panel and put on the shoulder straps. You want to cross the shoulder straps at the back. And you can fasten the side buckles. You want to make sure the strap goes over the baby stick instead of under. And do the same for the other side. Because the teddy is rather weightless, so in fact the baby's leg should hinge the body of the necktie further. Either let the baby safe and secure inside, or you can have your baby to put their arms out above the body panel like this. This necktie can also be converted into a typical necktie where you can wear the baby facing in. You just loosen the kincher. As you can see, when the kincher is loosened, your necktie serves like a typical necktie. So, thank you. I hope you enjoy snuggling with your